What you see here is a typical installation of a screw feeder. Material is extracted in batches from a silo and then fed into a weigh hopper. Feed rates of smaller screws are more accurate than those achieved with larger diameters. Consequently, bigger screw feeders require metering aids in order to improve their poor feeding accuracy. A double-speed motor switching from high to low speed during the final feeding phase or a butterfly valve fitted at the feeder outlet is often used. However, both options present disadvantages. Control panel and wiring of double-speed motors is costly, and outlet valves represent an additional function failure potential. The SPL type screw is the ideal metering aid. During feeding, some material falls through an opening in the tubular housing of the main screw feeder, filling the trough of the metering screw. Since the feeder pipe of the metering screw runs into the outlet spout of the main screw feeder, to begin with, there is material flow through both the main screw feeder as well as through the metering screw. A few seconds before reaching the set feed rate, the main screw feeder is stopped by a proximity switch to allow the small screw to meter the missing quantity of material with extreme accuracy into the weigh hopper. WAM's metering screws meet the requirements of every user. Metering screw diameters, which range from 90 to 200 millimeters, suit main screw feeders from 168 to 558 millimeters across. Drive power rating ranges from 0.55 to 3 kilowatt. Depending on the metering screw diameter, material is fed in 7 to 15 seconds at rates of 45 to 1,140 cubic decimeters per minute. The main advantages of the SPL metering screw feeder are no obstruction of the material flow, fluid transition from rough feeding to precise metering, metering screws made from polymer composites Syntex or Syntal, minimum clearance between the screw flight and the feeder pipe ensure high precision metering. The ISO 9002 quality system certification gives the client the assurance that the equipment he is going to use has been checked and tested in each phase of the manufacturing process up to the shipping department. To avoid clogging of the passage between screw feeder and metering screw, the latter must be started together with the main screw feeder.